This is the 2019 Geyserville. While we frequently refer to this wine as Zinfandel, it is in fact about 70% Zinfandel, 20% Carignan, and 10% Petit Syrah and Alicante. The vineyard is a classic example of a field blend in which these complementary varietals are interplanted, harvested, and then co-fermented together. Geyserville is our longest-running Zinfandel-based wine, going all the way back to the 1966 vintage. Working with the same vineyard for so many years gives us the opportunity to understand its unique character. Geyserville is typically a wine with focused aromatics of red fruit, exotic spice, polished tannins, and vibrant acidity. The 2019 is no exception, displaying beautiful black cherry and barrel toast in the nose, a medium to full-bodied palate, and firm acidity to bring it all together. As with most Geyservilles, it is very appealing as a young wine, but it is also unusual as a Zinfandel-based wine in its ability to age for up to 15 years in the cellar. So don't be afraid to put a few bottles aside to see how the wine evolves over time and enjoy.